The spec says that this lamp can illuminate an area of about 500 square meters, but I don't think it's telling the truth. Look at that. That's the only area that is covered. Ang Type 2835 LED chips na ginagamit dito ay usually makikita natin sa mga ilaw ng bahay, including light strips, dahil sa kanyang efficiency. Yung nasa specs dito na 600 watts of power ay misleading yun. Nabudol na naman tayo dito. And based on this malaking solar lamp na merong 428 LEDs, itong solar pendant light na meron lang 90 LEDs, ay di rin ito talaga 600 watts. Sa totoo lang, hindi dapat wattage ang maging basihan kung gaano kalakas ang ilaw ng isang LED lamp. Kung nabasa nyo sa mga LED bulbs, the brightness of the bulb is measured by lumens, not by wattage. Ang watts ay for the consumption of the bulb. For example, itong Mi Smart bulb ay merong 950 lumens of brightness. Ang brightness nito ay equivalent sa isang 69 watts na incandescent bulb. Pero ito'y isang 9 watt lang or 9 watts lang. Ibig sabihin, 9 watts lang ang power consumption nito every hour kumpara sa incandescent bulb na 69 watts ang consumption with the same brightness. So, imposible naman na ang consumption nito ay 600 watts based on sa kanyang specs. And base dun sa chart na aking nabasa, ang equivalent consumption nito ay 4 watts lang. To summarize, this is 4 watts kasi low power ito at ang kanyang brightness ay about 300 lumens na ang equivalent na incandescent bulb ay 40 watts. Pangatlo na itong nabili ko na solar lamp at ang lahat ay hindi totoo ang specs. Again, don't be deceived by watts. Instead, ask for lumen.